So good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to revise you the chapter that is What is Democracy? Why Democracy? A chapter from our civics part. I am going to do with the revisions and drill. हम लोग आज revisions करेंगे and drill करेंगे. इसमें क्या है? बेसिकली हमने क्या करना है? What is democracy? Democracy क्या है? What is democracy? Can anyone tell?
Ma'am, democracy is the form of government in which representatives are elected by the people.
Okay. Democracy is a form of government in which representatives are elected by the people. Democracy is providing us the features that equality is there, justice is there. Democracy provide the dignity and maintain the dignity of the individual. So all these parameters and regular elections. One most important point is regular elections are there, which are conducted after every 5 years. So first of all, go with the process. आप लोगों को पहले सबसे पहले लिखना है meaning of democracy. Can you write meaning of democracy at your own in your rough notebook right now? So write down meaning of democracy first of all. लिखिए जरा से meaning of democracy. उसमें meaning में पहले क्या लिखेंगे? It is a form of democracy in which people are choosing the representative to run the administration of the country through the process of regular elections, through the process of you can say voting election, a regular election, or you can say one person, one vote, one value, with the process of free and fair election. ठीक है, with the process of providing powers to the opposite political parties as यहाँ पर ही clear कर रही हूँ because I have written in this way as multi-party system exists in the democratic form of government. So meaning जो है it should not be only in this way कि आप लोग सिर्फ meaning को ये लिखो it is a type of government in which representatives are being chosen through the election process. ये लाइन तो आप लिखोगे ही लिखोगे. इसके accordingly इसके साथ साथ आप लिखोगे democracy is also a kind of form of government in which free and fair elections are there, in which regular elections are there, in which people are casting the votes, the feature of one person, one vote, one value is also there. So all these parameters you have to write. And dignity of the citizen is also being maintained. Is it okay, everyone? Now next आ जाता है, can you write features of democracy? Can you write features of democracy? Tanish? Tanish, what will be the features of democracy? Hurry up, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Features.
It is regular elections.
Very good. Regular elections.
There are free and fair elections.
Very good.
Representatives are answerable to the government.
Very nice.
There is there is decision making as per
Very
common people
nice,
demand.
very nice, very nice. Yes, the decision making power is there. All the people are making the consensus, means the member of the parliament. All the member of the parliament. How many members of the parliament are there, Kamaljeet? लोकसभा और राज्यसभा में कितने members होते हैं?
256.
252 members are there in a Rajya Sabha and 543 members are in Lok Sabha. Please note down. 252 members are there in Rajya Sabha and 543 members are there in a Lok Sabha. लोक सभा के 543 मेंबर्स बैठेंगे और वो डिसीजन लेंगे. अगर वो डिसीजन वहां से पास हो गया तो वो अपर हाउस में जाएगा राज्यसभा में. देन 252 मेंबर्स जो है वो डिसीजन लेंगे. देन दैट बिल विल गो टू द, यू कैन से, उसके पास प्रेसिडेंट के पास जाएगा. व्हेन प्रेसिडेंट विल बी गोइंग टू साइन, देन दैट बिल विल बिकम द लॉ. इज इट ओके? हाउ द बिल बिकम लॉ, ये आपने 8th क्लास में पढ़ा हुआ है. फर्स्ट रीडिंग, सेकंड रीडिंग, थर्ड रीडिंग, अगर याद हो तो. किया था बलप्रीत? So democracy is a type of government in which decisions are being taken in the parliament, and if the decision is not being accepted by the common people, like आज की डेट में आप लोग farmers का ले लीजिए protest. The decision is being taken. The bill has been passed. But now the common people are not ready to accept that bill to turn into the law. They are going against it with the method or with the tools they have. कौन से tools हैं उनके पास? Protest, धरना, rally, चक्का जाम, सब कुछ कर रहे हैं. सब कुछ कर रहे हैं ना वो? They are still there. So they want that bill which is being passed, that should not be there, or they are having this right because democracy is there and they have right to say against the rule, against the decision. So in democracy there is also another feature मैं बोलने जा रही हूँ. There is a room for correcting the mistakes. Point clear है? There, the decision is being taken by the consensus in the parliament, but if the decision is not being accepted by the common people, then there is a provision to make or correct the decision. So in the democratic form of government, there is a provision of taking the decision or correcting the decisions. This is also a feature of democracy. Number 1, free and fair election. Number 2, regular election. Number 3, one person, one vote, one value. Number 4, all persons are considered to be equal. Number 5, multi-party systems are there. Only one political party. We cannot say that is a democratic country. जैसा कि चाइना के अंदर है. चाइना की पार्टी का नेम क्या है? Balpreet, what is the name of China's political party?
National People's Congress.
Yes, National People's Congress. How many members are there in that political party?
Ma'am, nearly 3,000.
Nearly 3,000. Yes, exactly.
3,000.
3,000 members हैं और उन 3,000 में से किसी को भी चुन लो, लेकिन मेन जड़ तो एक ही है ना. जड़ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी तो एक ही है ना. तो we cannot say that is a democratic form of government where multi-party system is not there. The feature of a democratic form of government means regular election, free and fair election, one vote, one person, one vote, one value, and multi-party system is there. And decision, Tanish का point बिल्कुल ठीक था. Decision is given by the majority party. And if the decision is not being accepted by the common people, then that decision there is a room for correcting the mistakes. Any doubt to anyone related to features? कोई doubt? Any doubt to anyone? Is it clear? Now come to the demerits. Come to the demerits. Yes, Kamaljeet. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, demerits are lack of responsible people.
Very
Delay
good.
in
Number one is lack of responsible people. People are not taking interest to even cast the vote. आज तक 1951 से लेके आज तक इतनी बार इलेक्शन हो चुके हैं हमारे इंडिया में, इतने करोड़ों रुपीस खर्च होता है, लेकिन आज तक 100% लोगों ने वोट नहीं दिया. पीपल,
delay
ठीक है, नेक्स्ट. डिलेड डिसीजन मेकिंग. देखो अब 8-9 महीनों से 10 महीनों से किसान वहां बैठे हैं. Still the decision is not being taken because the consensus are not being made by the representatives. So another point is delay in decision making.
competition between parties.
हाँ जी हिदेश्री.
Competition between the parties.
कंपटीशन अमंग द पार्टीज. बिटवीन नहीं होता, बिटवीन सिर्फ दो होती, अमंग होती बहुत सारी पोलिटिकल पार्टीज होती हैं बेटा. यहाँ पर मैं तेरी ग्रामेटिकल एरर निकाल रही हूँ. अमंग मतलब दो से ज्यादा, बिटवीन होता है हमेशा दो के अंदर. सो द कौन सा पॉइंट बोला था आपने? कंपटीशन अमंग द पोलिटिकल पार्टीज. यस, one political party getting the majority, that becoming the majority party, and other parties which are not getting the majority, they become the opponent party. जैसा कि अभी बंगाल में डिसीजंस आए, हमें पता है बंगाल के सबने डिसीजंस अभी देखे होंगे शायद न्यूज में, समझ भी आई होंगी न्यूज. वहां पर कौन सी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जीती है अंशुमन?
बीजेपी.
बीजेपी जीती है.
ममता बनर्जी.
तृणमूल जीती है.
तृणमूल कांग्रेस जीती है. तृणमूल कांग्रेस थर्ड टाइम शी बिकम द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ दैट एरिया. बट नो डाउट वहां पर बीजेपी अर्लियर इट वाज नॉट हैविंग इवन अ सिंगल सीट. वहां पर बीजेपी की एक भी सीट नहीं थी. और जो नंदीग्राम जहां से वो लड़ी थी ममता बनर्जी, वहां से वो हारी है. इट मींस उसके ऊपर फेथ नहीं था. The representative of that political parties were having their full control over their area, जहां से वो जीते हैं. नंदीग्राम से वो खुद हारी हैं. अगर पता हो तो इलेक्शन सुने थे, रिजल्ट सुना था?
yes,
नहीं सुना?
yes,
सुना कि नहीं?
Yes,
बेटा your voice is very less. Okay, so number one demerit is delay in decision making. Number two, there is a competition among the political party, and sometimes political parties are also playing dirty tricks to win the elections. ठीक है, muscle and power, money power they use. और तीसरी चीज आती है more money expenditure on the election process, which that amount can be used for creating the development in another side. चाहे हम मिलिट्री में जाए, चाहे हम साइंस इन्वेंशंस में जाए, मार्स वगैरह की उसमें जाने के लिए हम लोग टूल्स वगैरह पे पैसा लगाएं, वहां नहीं हम लगाते. हम हर 5 साल बाद करोड़ों और अरबों रुपया इलेक्शन प्रोसेस में लगा देते हैं. So the path of you can say growth of democratic countries are quite slow as compared to the growth of non-democratic. अभी इस पॉइंट को मैं थोड़े डिफरेंट वे में करवाने की कोशिश करूं. Will you be able to understand? Just to switch on your videos.
Ma'am, a lot of corruption is also there in democratic country.
Saying बेटे क्या कह रहे हो?
Ma'am, a lot of corruption is also there in democratic
Yes,
government.
corruption. वही तो कह रही हूँ. Money and muscle power is there. Corruption is there. Please switch on your camera. मैं तुम लोगों को एक नए वे से ये करवाने लगी हूँ. Merit of non-democratic country and demerit of democratic country. अपनी कॉपी पे लिखो पहले. देखो ये है डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री. Let me take the marker again. ये है नॉन डेमोक्रेटिक. ठीक है, अब देखिए अगर मैं आपको इकोनॉमिक पॉइंट की बात कर रही हूँ ना, इकोनॉमिक पॉइंट से मैं बात कर रही हूँ दोनों की, ठीक है। अब देखना, डेमोक्रेसी में हमने डीमेरिट क्या किया है, डिले इन डिसीजन मेकिंग किया है। डिले इन डिसीजन मेकिंग इट मींस जब भी कोई डिसीजन लिया जाता है, यहाँ पर मैथ्स आ जाएगा। मैं थोड़ा सा आपको मैथ्स की फॉर्म में करवाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ। पता है ये ऐसे बनाते हो तुम लोग, ग्राफ सब है, ग्राफ ऐसे बनाते हो, कहोगे मैडम एसएसटी में मैथ्स करवा रहे हैं, ठीक है।
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ पर लीजिए आप टाइम, यहाँ पर लीजिए आप ग्रोथ, यहाँ पर लीजिए आप ग्रोथ, और यहाँ पर लीजिए आप टाइम। बना लीजिए जरा ध्यान से, और इसके साथ अपनी एक्सप्लेनेशन लिखना, फिर देखना आंसर लिखने का मजा कितना आएगा और तुम लोगों को कंसेप्ट कितना जल्दी क्लियर होगा। टाइम सपोज मैं ये ले रही हूँ 1990, 2000, 10 साल का ले रही हूँ, 2010, 2020। हमारा ये टाइम आ चुका है, आ चुका है ना ये टाइम। मैंने 10 इयर्स का डिक्लेयर किया। वहां पर मैं ले रही हूँ 1990, 2000। ये सपोज चाइना ले लो, दिस कंट्री यू कैन टेक चाइना, एग्जांपल अपने माइंड में चाइना रखो। 2010 एंड 2020, ठीक है। ये है ग्रोथ, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5। इज इट ओके? विजिबल है? विजिबल है? अब देखो,
यस
इसमें पैसा कहाँ जाता है, इलेक्शंस में जाता है। इसमें रेगुलर इलेक्शन नहीं होते तो पैसा नहीं जाता। इसमें डिले इन डिसीजन मेकिंग होता है। तो अब देखो, दिल्ली में सारे किसान बैठे हैं, अभी तक डिसीजन नहीं आया, डिले इन डिसीजन मेकिंग इज देयर। यहाँ क्या होता है, क्विक डिसीजन मेकिंग इज देयर, ठीक है। नो रेगुलर इलेक्शंस, यानी कि पैसा वेस्ट नहीं होता। यहाँ की डेवलपमेंटल ग्रोथ जो है वो स्टार्ट होगी हमारे इंडिया की। पहले हम लोग अंडर डेवलप थे, धीरे धीरे हम अभी तक यहाँ पर पहुंचे। अभी भी हम पूरे डेवलप नहीं हुए हैं। ये डेवलपमेंट ग्रोथ है, पाथ है हमारा, ठीक है। यानी कि 90 में हम यहाँ पर थे, यहाँ पर थे, यहाँ पर थे, और यहाँ पर। अभी भी हम यहाँ नहीं पहुंचे हैं, अभी भी हमारा ये प्रोसेस चल रहा है। इज इट ओके? दिख गया? दिख गया? अब देखिए जरा उधर वाली साइड पर, चाइना में देखो, पॉपुलेशन पे कंट्रोल कर लिया, सिंगल चाइल्ड इज अलाउड, मानते हो, ठीक है। क्विक डिसीजन मेकिंग इज देयर। वहां के टूल्स, टेक्नोलॉजी, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, उनका मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट्स, उनके ये जो सभी जगह पर डेवलपमेंट जो है वो इस तरह से। हम लोग अभी यहाँ तक आए हैं, पर कैपिटा इनकम में वो लोग कहाँ पहुंच गए हैं, समझ आई? इससे भी ऊपर चढ़ गए। कोई डाउट? So the path of development from here and the path of development is here. What it shows? Non-democratic country, ये non-democratic country का feature है कि economic development is more in the non-democratic government as compared to the democratic government. कोई doubt? बट स्टिल वी कैन नॉट इग्नोर। अभी ये हम लोग इकोनॉमिक एस्पेक्ट में पॉइंट दे सकते हैं कि अगर इकोनॉमिक एस्पेक्ट को देखा जाए तो नॉन डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट जो है दैट इज प्रोड्यूसिंग मच बेटर रिजल्ट एज कंपेयर टू द डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट। बट we cannot ignore the merits of democratic country, because every person is considered equal, equality is being protected, freedom is being protected, every person is having right to speech and expression. That rights are denied in these countries, but no doubt economic point of view, we can't say that the democratic country is better as compared to non-democratic country. In economic parameter, we can say non-democratic country is better as compared to the democratic country. Is it okay to everyone? Nujot, Chahat, Gauri.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
सबको क्लियर है? So write down the demerits of non-democratic country. Hurry up. ये बना लिया सबने? हर कीरत, मैं जिन बच्चों ने अपने ऑडियोज नहीं ना ज्वाइन किए, मैंने रिमूव कर दिया.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, nepotism is also demerit of
Nepotism is also demerit beta. Nepotism means one family is having you can say authority over to have this control over the administrative setup of that political party. Nepotism, like this Congress party is having nepotism. Indira Gandhi, then Rajiv Gandhi, then Sonia Gandhi, now Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi. So only the Gandhi family is deserving to be the leader or party president of that political party? No. Is it okay? Nepotism, then defection. Defection means lack of internal democracy among the political party. अपनी political party छोड़कर दूसरी political party में enter कर जाना. ठीक है, मैंने example दिया था परगट सिंह in Jalandhar. He has changed his political party from one to another. ठीक है? Any doubt? So write down all these demerits, hurry up. Now come to the next point, that is demerits of democracy. हाँ जी, कौन कौन से पॉइंट लिखोगे demerits of democracy? Number 1, आर्यन शर्मा. Okay, Sakshi.
Ma'am, delay in decision making.
Very nice. Delay in decision making. बेटा जी सिर्फ ये हेडिंग्स हैं, आप लोगों को एक्सप्लेनेशन खुद लिखनी होगी. गौरी.
Lack of responsible citizens.
Lack of responsible
Citizens.
Very good. अगला. Third. कौन
Expenditure
बोलेगा?
on elections.
हाँ जी.
Expenditure on elections.
Yes. Expenditure. Huge expenditure कर दो. Huge expenditure on elections. Okay. Number next. कौन बोलेगा? प्रांजल बत्रा.
Use of money and muscle power.
Okay. Use of money and muscle power. Okay. Next. कौन बोलेगा? किसने अभी तक नहीं बोला? इशिता.
Ma'am, corruption.
Okay. Leads to corruption. Corruption. Okay. Next. और पॉइंट. अभी तक पूरा पॉइंट वो नहीं बोले जो दो मेरे माइंड में आ रहे हैं. कौन बोलेगा?
Defection.
Yes. Defection. Defection. Defection.
Nepotism.
Lack of internal डेमोक्रेसी. डिफेक्शन लिखते ही, मेरी बात सुनिए प्लीज, ध्यान रखना. डिफेक्शन लिखते ही आपने एक पॉइंट बोलना है, लैक ऑफ इंटरनल डेमोक्रेसी इन पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, इन वन पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. उसका मतलब ये होता है, ठीक है, लैक ऑफ दिस you can say democracy in internal political party, that is defection. Next आ जाता है आपका nepotism. ठीक है, nepotism means the rulers are not giving chance to another political representatives, and party president are being done or given only to the family members. Like example हमारे पास दो हैं, that one is शिरोमणि अकाली दल एंड सेकंड वी हैव कांग्रेस. बस इतना नाम लिखना बहुत है आपके लिए. हाँ जी, एनी अदर पॉइंट?
By parties to win. Women are bounded by the society or the head of the.
Yes, actually the discrimination which is being in the society by male domination, ये भी पॉइंट लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट, इतने मेरे ख्याल से तो बहुत हैं, तुम लोग कर सकते हो इतने. हाँ बोलो बोलो.
Create instability between the governments of a country.
Yes, create instability among the government members of the representatives or members of the government, you can say. Okay, now come to the PRI. Okay, what is the full form of PRI? Kamalji.
Institutional Revolutionary Party.
Very nice. Excellent, Hiteshri. Very good. That is Institutional Revolutionary Party of which country?
Mexico.
Very nice. Where? Mexico. And Mexico won or got the independence in which year? Chahat.
1930.
Okay, 1930. After that, 1930, regular elections were conducted after how many years?
6 years.
Yes, 6 years. Nishchal, very nice. 6 years के बाद हर साल वहां पर होते थे. And what kind of parameter was being adopted by PRI party to win the elections? Nishchal.
Ma'am, they force school teacher to ask parent to vote them only.
Yes, they were forcing the representatives of PRI, they were forcing the government employee to cast vote only to them. Number two, the government teachers or the school teachers were forced to convey the parents or convince the parents to cast the voting only to them. Number three, at the last time on the day of voting, the voting booths were being transferred from one area to another area in which people were feeling discomfortable to cast their vote, and they don't go with the process of casting the vote. And with the illegal mayors, the PRR party was getting the election with or winning the election with the majority. Is it okay? In Pakistan, in which year Pervez Musharraf got the military dictatorship in that? Military control in Pakistan?
1999.
1999. Okay. उसके बाद उसने 2002 में क्या किया?
He declared himself president.
कौन से मेथड से? चाहत. Hiteshri, Hritika, Inpreet. Anyone? आर्यन, किस मेथड से किया बेटा? रेफरेंडम. कौन से मेथड से?
Based on malpractices and fraud.
Referendum. They had done it on the basis of referendum. What is referendum?
Ma'am, it's a type of another type of election, accept or reject.
Okay. A type of election in which the representative is being given the accept or reject. और उस वे से उसने अपने आप को एक्सेप्ट करवाया एंड ही गॉट द पावर इन हिज ओन हैंड. कैन वी से पाकिस्तान एट दैट टाइम वाज अ डेमोक्रेटिक फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट?
No.
No. Why so?
Ma'am, because there were no free and fair elections.
Yes, there were no free and fair election. Now, next question I am asking, that was from Zimbabwe. जिम्बाब्वे के बारे में मुझे कौन बताएगा? बलप्रीत. बलप्रीत, अनम्यूट. नहीं. ओके. जिम्बाब्वे वाज द कंट्री. हाँ जी, इशिता.
Ma'am, Zimbabwe was the country ruled by ZANU-PF.
Yes.
And it attained independence from white people in 1980.
Okay. And what kind of mayor he has conducted?
Ma'am, they had unfair practices in elections.
Okay. He had made the changes in the basic structure of the constitution and limit the power of the common people. उसने बेसिकली क्या किया था? उसने बेसिकली कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के स्ट्रक्चर को चेंज कर दिया और लिमिट द पावर एंड स्क्वीज द पावर सो दैट कॉमन पीपल शुड नॉट से एनीथिंग एंड सारी पावर उसने अपने हाथों में ले ली थी. Got it?
Ma'am, he was also harassing the workers of the opposite parties.
Yes.
The judges who went against him were also pressurized.
Okay, yes. Any other?
Public protests and demonstrations against the government were declared illegal.
Yes, that was me. These were all the basic structure which was there in the constitution. But when ZANU-PF was the Robert Mugabe इसका leader था. Leader कौन थे? Robert Mugabe. He has limited the power of the constitution and squeeze all that power in his control. And considering that he is giving the democratic form of government, is it a true democracy?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And
No,
one
ma'am.
person, one vote, one value was opted in India. But give one example of a country from your book in which that practice is not there. One person, one vote,
Fiji.
one. Fiji, yes, excellent. किसका आंसर आया ये? नूर का आया. Okay. नूर ने मेरे को लगता है अच्छी तरह से प्रैक्टिस कर ली है ये चैप्टर. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am, I revised it yesterday.
Okay, that's what you were able to respond all the answers. So what is the broader meaning of democracy? Harsuk. Now last question again to you. Harsuk. Broader meaning of democracy.
That there should be regular elections. There should be free and fair elections. Power should be provided to the opposite political parties. And one person is equal to one vote. And one vote is equal to one value.
Okay. Any other one who can add on some of the viewpoints with the broader meaning of democracy? Nishal?
Above the law.
Everyone is above the law. Okay, that is there. Okay, any other one? So according to it, you understand this chapter completely. Now, in tomorrow's class, if you will be having any doubt in these three chapters, one is French Revolution, second is what is democracy, why democracy, which we discussed today, and third one, story of village Palampur. If you will be having any doubt, I will clarify that in tomorrow's class, because tomorrow you have your practice assignment. And I will share with you a political map of India, in which we will be going to revise all the states and capital. And I will listen that states and capital from you. So keep the map with you. Okay? Keep the map, India's political map with you. And I will revise you geography's fourth last chapter. Is it okay? Is it okay to everyone?
Okay.